Welcome back, guys, my subscribers. Today I'm gonna play Skyblock. Well, it's not like Skyblock, and I'm gonna play with my sister. All right, I'm only doing this episode only 10 minutes long, and I know because it tells me the timer right there. All right, in this game you get goals to be. Where'd Jen? Where you go? Oh. Right. Oh my gosh. Are we supposed to be doing that here? This chest. I can't open this one. Alright, I'm gonna go hit the house. Is there any armor around here? Hey, don't build the crafting table. There's already emerald block, gold block, and diamond block? Yeah, I think we're supposed to be putting them right here in the sponges. And I think that's how we finish the game. For one reason, I think there's something up here. Okay. We should live in here. Alright, remember, don't build a chest because there's a chest right here. I mean, a crafting table. Alright, I'm gonna go get some wood. Have you already checked what's inside that chest on top of the... I don't know. You go check it out. I'm getting some wood. Right, where should we go first? Alright, where should we go first? I'm gonna go over there. This map will have gold, and diamond. The rest is Spanish. Don't understand. I know how to speak it, but I don't know how to. Better be coming. Wait. Alright. It took me somewhere. I found a diamond!
Really?
On top of this house.
No, that's big coincidence.
So that means there might be diamonds somewhere. Oh, what happened?
No, it just look.
Oh gosh.
No, I just deleted those 3 blocks on top of it, but I'm trying to get to the other stuff.
Alright.
Run the stuff. Alright, well, we need iron and gold. No, we need iron to mine. Could we die? I mean, die. Could we mine?
Duh.
You sure you took the wood?
Yeah.
I just took this one.
What's a friend? Friend. Oh, there you go. Wait, I got a free crafting table. Don't take nothing from the chest, cause I know you're gonna die. I already know you. Alright, I'm digging down. Found the emerald. Come on, look. Another 2 emeralds and iron. Oh my gosh. And another iron. I knew it. There was stuff underground.
Now that I found that diamond, I'm just searching on the underside.
I'm getting cobblestone for we can go build already. Alright, when I get the iron, I'm gonna go...
No, please, do not fall. We need your help.
Well, don't attack it.
Oh, I did. And
I only see 2. I only see 2 of,
I feel like there's a hidden chest in this thing.
Wait, don't go without me. Alright, here. Go mine for cobblestone.
Where?
On the ground.
Really? Half-used wooden?
Yeah. I'm gonna come back up here making sure there's no more.
Okay,
Alright, there's a diamond, so if I'm just making sure there's no diamond down here. Alright. Ah! Is there anything? No. Alright. Oh, there's a chest!
Up there?
Yes.
No. Where?
You don't see it up here?
No, I can't see it.
Dude, I swear, if this armor, I'm gonna keep it.
How did you see armor? I mean, the chest.
I was looking over there to that sand place, and then I just looked up, and then I just saw it. Oh, there's only 64
I
stone.
fell.
Yeah.
Oh wait, my stuff doesn't fall. I forgot.
Yeah. I just lost 2 hearts.
Hey, have you seen this? Oh, you want some wind.
Alright. I'm gonna search back here. Oh, there's nothing. Alright, I'm gonna start going. Ooh. I'm gonna start going over here. Whoa.
Where are you at?
Over here.
Where?
You don't see me?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna start coming over here.
Ah!
Better be coming with no strings. Ah, come on. Place down. Hey, get cobblestone.
Oh, cobblestone?
Because I don't have no more. I'm gonna run out.
Oh, there's coal.
Yes! What's it called? There's sugar canes. We can make, what's it called? Oh, man, but we need diamonds for that. Oh, yeah, there's diamonds. I forgot.
We have diamonds and iron.
And emeralds. What's it called? We can make the enchanting thingy. With the sugar canes, we can make sheets, and then we can make book planks. Then we can make a library.
Ready? I'm going to end it.
Did you get a cobblestone? Cause I'm about to run out. And oh, there's like a farm over here. Yes, with carrots and wheat. You found gold? And I found emerald. Yeah, but to make gold and need 9 diamonds. Forget you, chicken. Is there a chest where I can like put down these stuff? Cause I don't want to die. Dude, are you done with the thing? Are you done with making with the chest? I mean, mining?
No.
I mean, with the cobblestone?
No.
Hurry up. I'm gonna put down these stuff because I don't want to die and lose all these. I'm gonna take is all that. Right, hurry. How much do you have?
19.
That's all you have?
Yeah. Because my thingy broke. Almost broke.
Have we been? Oh yeah, that's where we spawned.
I should have been here, right?
All I have is just 9 of these.
I'm gonna mine in the back right here. Oh, my thing broke already.
Man. Alright, bring the cobblestone over here.
Where you at?
Where I was.
I keep forgetting where you are.
Behind the thing. Oh gosh. I'm gonna search over here because there's cobblestone. You don't know what's down there. Oh, nothing. Wait. Oh. I'm pretty sure there's something down there because there's like cobblestone.
Are you
There's-
on the other side?
No, I'm back here. So laggy. How long has it been? It's been 10 minutes. Right. Guys. See you episode 2.
Bye.
Uh,
Oh, sorry.
episode 2. Subscribe, please. And I love you guys.